Welcome to our 2024 video tour for those of you wondering who we are and what we do. We are a structural steel and industrial sheet metal fabricator located northwest of Houston in Tomball, Texas. We're a fiber laser cutting and plate processor for up to 3/4 thick carbon or stainless steel and 1/2 inch aluminum. We have a 14-foot, 245-ton press brake for plate and sheet metal form parts for our clients and our own internal use. A quick glance into our parts department where the raw materials are first processed and project kitting begins. You'll see 3 full production band sawing operations with 100% material traceability as standard operating procedure. We utilize jigging and fixturing whenever possible. We have a drill and tapping station, and for repeatable weldments we utilize our Miller robotic weld cell named Steve. We have a 5/16 by 6 foot plate roll and weld positioners for cylindrical weldments. We have over 40 plus GMAW and FCAW welding machines currently in use for our daily operations, with 15 more for other processes as needed for stainless steel or aluminum weldments. We often hear this has got to be one of the cleanest fab shops I've ever been in, and we take pride in our organization for having such a clean and safe work environment. We're an AWS accredited fabricator utilizing only AWS qualified welders with the CWI on staff. We're an ISO compliant operation that operates with honesty and integrity. We're quality focused and maintain accountability throughout. We strive to be proactive and operate with reliability and professionalism. We have a 4,000 square foot office where our project management staff, estimators, and team of hands-on experienced mechanical designers generate 2D and 3D engineered drawing packages with PE stamped structural load calcs and drawings available upon request for all 50 states. As we're most commonly known for our stair and platform packages, we're also a very diverse group of fabricators who can build to customer spec, generate client prototypes, process high volume production part runs, supply prefab sheet metal kits, weldment packages, and more. We have 35,000 square foot of overhead crane served fab space with a capacity to lift 80,000 pounds, 21 foot high by 21 foot wide up to 80 foot long single piece, skids, modular assemblies, or weldments. We manufacture a variety of skids, supply structural steel packages, subsea components, stair and railings, switchgear and transformer structures, trailers, tanks, racks, and even supply parts for other fabricators and integrators. With nearly 2 acres of laydown yard, we're able to keep our material handling to a minimum. We have our own flatbed pickup trucks and gooseneck trailers for hauling loads and equipment to and from the galvanizers, the coaters, and site locations. Here's a shot of a 70 foot long by 20 foot wide single piece building base on its way to another happy client. We're located on 5 acres just east of downtown Tomball on Main Street near the intersection of 2920 and 2978. We're approximately 5 minutes from Highway 99. From our humble beginnings on the south side of downtown Houston to where we are here today, some 17 years later, we count our blessings and we're so grateful for each and every client and dedicated employee just the same. That's also something that we'll never take for granted. We're so thankful to be in Texas, and we're happy to say that everything we fabricate is made in the USA. Thanks for watching.